Today I'm going to make my pony by my Hello Kitty's dress. Sorry, oh, a bracelet! It's a necklace, by the way. Whoa! Wait, this looks like a bracelet too. I mean, like I can wear it to a 80s party, I guess. Whatever, let's just make the pony by this. This is going well, I guess. I guess this kinda looks good. Yeah, it actually does. By the way, I got the idea from Ion by Baby Monster. You can check it out anytime.